Alright guys, welcome to our channel, and in today's video, I'll be opening up 2 pairs of shoes and some clothing that I got from Nike, so I have not 1, not 2, but 3 boxes. Let's get right into the video. I got this a while ago, so I don't quite remember. I think I got a pair of shorts, but I don't remember fully. I might have got something else. So like a week, 2 weeks ago. Okay, yeah, so it's just a pair of shorts. They look huge though. I think I got them like a youth large or something. Oh, these look huge. But I have a pair, oh, they're a medium. These are what they look like. They're pretty big. That's all I got in there. And then onto the bigger boxes. And here, I know I got a pair of Kobe's. I got 2 pairs of Kobe's. So here's the first.
Why are they so big? They're so big.
What size are these? I ordered size 8. These are size 18.
Let me see.
Look. And I ordered size 8.
Oh my god. Did they make a mistake or something? Are you sure? Or did you make a mistake?
No. For these ones. Yeah, these are the protos. I ordered size 8. Let me just take a thumbnail. So it looks like they sent me the wrong size. And
It looks like, well, size 18, not 8.
So they sent me a size 18 and I ordered a size 8 because that was the only size they had.
Wait, I wonder if you can exchange it though.
Oh,
Well, wah.
pretty upsetting, but maybe this next thing.
Hopefully they get you the right size.
I don't know why this box is so big. So I think Papa might know what we ordered because he's the one who paid for it. No, yeah, it's just that. Oh no, 2.
Oh, so he did order 3? Maybe one of them's for him?
Oh yeah, those are for him. Yeah, those are for him. Those are size 9.5. Those are not important now, but what is important is these. The Mamba Focus size 8. I like this box. It's a cool box. This box is reflective. The other one, I believe it was not reflective. Yeah, it was just black. So notice it has a reflective Nike sign, and on this side it has the Kobe logo, Kobe signature. The same thing on my what's it called? I think, yeah, these are red. So these are the Mamba Focus, and these are in a university red, and I really like these. These are a really cool colorway. Cause I feel like black would have been too plain, so I went ahead and got the red pair. Yeah, and these are the correct size. These are size 8. These are cool. Might wear them with my Kobe jersey. Not my Kobe jersey, my Kobe shirt. So, thank you guys so much for watching. And that is all for today's video. I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.